Good afternoon, everybody. Well, early afternoon. Welcome to another video. This is just going to be a quick, small little repair. I've got a small little karaoke PA amplifier here from Pyle that there's just a small issue with it. It's not really too much, but let's see I'll bring her up a little closer if I can get in there. As you can, let me see. Do you see how that's loose? I've got to take the top off of this right quick and just tighten the washer that's up in there. The nut that's in there, because it came loose. I would suspect that this is probably something that happened in shipment when I first got it. I didn't really pay it any attention and started noticing it. So I figure I better just fix that because it caused a problem down the road. Sorry about that little bit of a weird angle there. I have to get some sort of a cool little table to work with. That would definitely help matters. There we go. Those are the top ones, or the bottom ones. Yep. Absolutely. It's not too hard to do. Let's see, we've got two in the back here as well. There's two right there. Actually, somewhat see in there, that'll work. There we go. Yeah, this has a total of, let's see, there's 3, 4, 8 little screws just to hold the top on it, which that's all right with me. Unless somebody apparently just didn't pay too much attention when tightening the nut down on the inside there is all. This thing works pretty well. Other than that, sometimes the Bluetooth is finicky, but that's to be expected. That's just Bluetooth for you in general sometimes. But other than that, it works pretty good. There we go. I got that there. I got to go ahead and get that part off of there. There we go. Absolutely. That's so much better. Oh, the screw fell on the floor. I'll find that in a minute here. That always happens. I'll probably find that off camera, which I think it sets right there. I think I see right where it landed here. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure that's what that right there is that screw. I'm trying to get this one here out right quick too, because I do not want, okay, come on now. Yeah, sometimes the edges of them like to stick into the metal. There we go, I got that one. It didn't, thankfully, that time around. There we go, I want to put that with those ones. I'll get this last one up out of here too. Sorry, it's hard to see it when I get it down like that. I was just trying to be a little bit more careful of what I was doing there. Try to get that screw out of there. Oh, it just wants to, they like to stick in there. Some of them. There we go. Got it now. I think I see right where the other one landed here. No, that's not it.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, they like to fall down and fly around. There it is. I found it right there. There's those 4. And then those 2 there. Yeah, that's 8 in total. Actually, screws in that. There we go. 8 total screws now. It should be pretty easy. Just slip this top off of here. Get this in frame the best that I can. There we go. Just like that. this one right down here on the very bottom that's loose. So, okay, I'm going to take that off there. And I had to take the top off, actually. So literally, well, the only reason I had to take the top of this off, honestly, is to kind of hold this in place here in the back. So that I can just come in here with a needle nose. Oops. Like that. Or pliers in general, and just kind of tighten it up a little bit. Because that's actually pretty loose. I didn't think it was that bad, but it is. I'm glad I got in there and noticed it then. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I can still turn that with my finger. All right. I don't want to over tighten it either. Okay. Yeah, that was something. Okay. Let me just be sure here that it's tightened. That should do it. Let's see how these other ones all seem good. Yeah, those ones are all really decent. Those ones are all in there good. That feels a lot better. That should work well. I'll go ahead and put the switch part back on first of all. Okay, it's all the way over to there. So we know where it is. Okay. That would be auxiliary over there, so I want to put it, line it up like that. DVD, auxiliary. That's weird. Auxiliary, DVD, CD, and FM, Bluetooth, and all that stuff. There we go. Perfect. Now it's lined up. That'll work. Yep. Here's a quick look at the inside of it. It's a little digital amplifier. I'll get you in there. It's discrete transistors. Let's see if I can get you in there. Sorry about that. Yeah, and the transformer, a little digital amp. It's not bad. It sounds pretty decent. All I have to do with it now pretty much is just put the top back on it and put it together and you're all set. It's fixed. And it wasn't too hard. Just a quick little repair of it. Again, it wasn't nothing major, thankfully. Yeah, sometimes these tops can be a pain to put on them, but okay, yeah, because you want to try and get these other top screws in there first. Get one at least started here. Yep. Perfect. I've got to get better places to do some of these things. I'm not going to screw it in all the way. I just want to start it. There we go. That way I can come over here, line this side up too. As you can see, what it likes to do with these, that metal in these is some. Some of the plastic, older, the 90s stuff that was plastic is really a pain to service. Okay, there's all those. I was looking to make sure that all the ones in the back are still good there, because you don't want to get something uneven to where the back screws don't go in there. Then that's a problem. There's that one in there. The only thing, sometimes those Bluetooth antennae are pretty sensitive at times.
1 hour later.
Yeah, all Bluetooth technology is pretty growing right now too. always knew it would. Why wouldn't it? It's convenient. You can use all kinds of devices on it. It's pretty neat. You know, back in the early 2000s when Bluetooth was just becoming a thing. As far as gaining popularity, that was back. I lived in Mifflinburg, Pennsylvania back then. I remember that well. Way back in the early 2000s. Other cool times. Oh yeah, well, we almost got her together now. Yeah, this is about, they say it's like 300 watts at 4 ohms. I'm not sure that I believe that. I could believe that it's, you know, it's about 30 per channel at 8 ohms. So, and it's definitely got a little bit of power to it. It gets pretty loud. This is one I usually use for portable studio. That's why I wanted to fix that that selector potentiometer so that it doesn't cause a problem in the future or fall out of there and touch on something and cause a dead short.
3 days later.
The ground. That's not something I want. But nonetheless, there it is. It's all put back together now. That is no longer like flopping around inside of there. It's tight now. So that is all set for now. If it comes loose again, which it may down in the future, because I noticed they didn't have a lock washer in there, I'll probably have to do that again with it. But for now, all set to go. Thanks for watching. More to come later. Unboxings, more repairs, stuff like that. Nature videos. If you have videos and stuff that you like, tell me. You never know. I might be able to come up with something. I have a lot of cool ideas. Thanks for watching. Please share the videos. Like and subscribe if you do. Appreciate you. Later.